canopy, touching the smallest nest high above. Inside the fragile shell, life stirred. A heart began to beat with the rhythm of the forest, waiting for the moment of birth. A faint tap, then another. The shell quivered, breaking open as if the world itself was holding its breath. And then, at last, she emerged. A bluebird, small and fragile, yet filled with the promise of flight. Her eyes opened, reflecting the endless sky above. She had never flown, but in her gaze lived the dream of soaring. All around, the forest came alive. Leaves shimmered, rivers sang, and other birds answered her tiny chirp with a chorus of welcome. Though her wings were small, the world already called to her. The story of Bluebird had just begun.